So, the Notes app just got a cool upgrade. Now you can whip up images from selected text using this new image wand feature. It's a game changer for usability. But fair warning, some folks might find the new terms a bit confusing at first. Moving on to Beta 3, the improvements in generative features are pretty impressive. You're getting higher quality images created from text, plus you can choose different styles for your images. It definitely adds a nice personal touch. Apple's also been putting a spotlight on sketching capabilities. Now you can draw something, and the app will enhance it using its smart tech. It's a clear sign that Apple is focusing on creative tools within the iOS ecosystem. Now, there's a new feature that lets you circle sketches to create images. However, this isn't quite up and running yet. For now, you'll just need to describe your images with words instead. On the ChatGPT front, there are some visual design changes happening. You'll notice tweaks in icons and text opacity, making the user interface look more appealing and user-friendly. It's all about creating a smoother experience. In the updated Photo app, images now open straight into full-screen mode. While some might find that exciting, it could be tricky if you're trying to view the entire image before zooming in. Some users think it's a step back in usability. The top bar has seen some changes too, especially with the date and time now centered. This tweak not only boosts readability but also gives the app a cleaner look overall. Simplicity has its perks. And speaking of navigation, they've swapped out the X icon for a more intuitive back arrow. This little change really helps with user experience, making it easier to figure out where you're headed. You'll also notice some new features like the refreshed share icon in dark mode and updates to the Mail app's badge count pop-up. These changes show that they're continuously improving how we interact with notifications. Now, switching gears to the AirPods Pro 2, they've rolled out updates to version 7b21, enhancing performance and features. Plus, both models of AirPods 4 are getting the same build version, 7b20. Solid updates all around. The new Find My feature is a neat upgrade, letting you share the location of lost items with others. This makes tracking down luggage or stolen goods way easier. Definitely a handy tool to have. In Beta 3, they've also introduced some writing tools to the context menu, making sure they're visible right on the first page. Users are hoping for even more customization options, so fingers crossed. However, many users are reporting an annoying issue with their stickers disappearing altogether after the Beta 3 update. It's a frustrating setback after things seem to improve in Beta 2. Another major headache is the lock screen malfunction. It appears too dark and doesn't display the wallpaper properly. Despite attempts to resolve it, the problem just keeps hanging around. The video also dives into performance metrics from a Geekbench test, showing mixed results in stability and speed when stacked against Beta 2. But on a brighter note, battery life seems to have improved slightly, which is always nice to see. And who doesn't love a minor battery life boost? With the upcoming iOS 18.2 update, users might just get that little pick-me-up. Looking at the release schedule, it seems like after we hit Beta 4, an RC release is on the horizon. It really speaks to Apple's organized approach to rolling out software updates. In the end, Apple's pushing to speed up the rollout of iOS 18.2 to bring in those new intelligence features. It's all part of their commitment to keeping users happy and driving innovation forward.